What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I hope you enjoy yourself. Please feel free to drop a like, drop a comment, and definitely hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with me. To all my OG subs, my frequent flyers, man, welcome back. How y'all doing? I got another unboxing for y'all today. I'm gonna keep it real quick this time, man. I ordered these last week from Yeezy Supply. These actually are Yeezy Supply exclusive, Yeezy 350 Boost. You know, it is not my size. Once I got in, my size was gone already, but it's all good. Here we have the Yeezy 350 Marsh, man. Now, a lot of people have been like giving these a hard time because of like the yellow and we call them the pissy 350s or PP 350s and things like that. But in hand, they're a lot better. I'm not mad that I didn't get my size. I'm not really pressed on these like that, but they are a lot better. I do like the model. They went with a reflective stripe on these instead of having like reflective laces like they've been doing lately, or the full reflective shoe. But they do have a reflective stripe, and that's a good look for it. I like that little switch up, but I would rather have some more colors rather than this yellow and like mustard yellow color. But they're cool though, for sure. More I like to see these like on the female's foot, would add a little swagger to it, man. I think these would be pretty dope. But like I said, it's not too hype on these, man. I'm not pressed on them at all. Not really gonna look for my size or anything like that. One of my homegirls were looking for a size 5 or 5.5, so once I couldn't get my size, I went ahead and grabbed these. So like I said, man, they're cool. Retail price was $220. They only dropped on Yeezy Supply, so I mean, I guess they are kind of limited. Even though resale isn't that high on them, they are kind of limited. They were only on Yeezy Supply. They sold out in about 1.5 hours. And this is actually my first time ever being able to get through on an online release for a Yeezy, even on Adidas.com or Yeezy Supply. So I mean, that was pretty cool to me, just the whole little process. I was working with the new app, and the app allowed me to get through. So I'm definitely gonna use that on future releases and try to get some stuff that I want in my size. But as always, man, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get up close and personal with these so you guys can see these details, get a good look at these colors, man, and see if you want to grab these. The resale market has them going for about retail, maybe just a little over. So if you want them, you'll definitely be able to grab them. So yeah, man, let's get up close and personal with these Yeezy 350 Marsh, man. Alright, now getting up close and personal, as you can see on the top of the box, it has the 350 like usual, boost on the side. Yeezy 350 made by Adidas on the slide out part, and on the size tag it reads Marsh. It's the colorway. The size 5, Yeezy 350, regular old Yeezy box. And here we are, man. It has this like kind of yellowish, and with the mustard yellow sock liner. You know, it's actually a pretty good looking shoe. It looks a lot better in hand. Like I said, I'm not pressed on it. It went with the clear outsole, so this outsole is definitely gonna change to the color of the shoe once you get a few wears. It's gonna get that yellow in effect. The mustard yellow inside, mustard yellow sock liner. You know, it's a solid shoe. If you like Yeezy 350s, you probably would like these. I know these are comfortable. I have a couple of pair of Yeezys, man, so comfort is definitely not the issue. But I would rather them come with a, you know, a different colorway. He's been doing a lot of these earth tones and these tonal colorways that look pretty similar. These are just like some darker butters with, you know, with mustard yellow insole, man. So I mean, it's cool though, definitely. But like I said, I'm not pressed on them. Yellow with the clear outsole, white boost as always. And like I said, that stripe is reflective, man. So y'all let me know how y'all feeling about these Yeezy 350 Marsh. Now that just about wraps it up for this video, man. We got the Yeezy 350 Marsh, the Yeezy Supply exclusives. They came in on yesterday. Shout out to Yeezy Supply for the really quick shipping. Like I said, it's my first time ordering with them. Hopefully I can get through on something that I actually want and actually can get in my size. But that just about wraps it up, man. Until next time on the next video, Yeezy 350 Marsh. Peace, man.